Computers, viruses, and malware prevention and removal. Viruses and malware can infect the computers at your company at any time, making your computers unstable, slow, and unusable. Hackers can hack your accounts, and they can damage and steal your valuable files by sending malicious programs. Back in February 2016, we helped a Calgary business employee who had 1,400 viruses on his computer. The company had set virus scanning to run at night, but the employee always turned off his computer. So what is the solution? Does your company need help with computer virus removal? In this article, Matterhorn Solutions, a Calgary-based computer service and IT management company, discusses viruses. Tip 1. Always scan a pen, USB drive before opening it. Pen drives can have viruses that generally come from infected computers, so before opening a pen drive, always scan it with antivirus. If you know that the pen drive has viruses and if you want to be extra cautious, format the pen drive before working with it. To learn how to remove a shortcut virus from a pen drive, see the video below. Tip 2. Do not install untrusted software. Before installing any software, research a bit about the software on the internet and read users' reviews. An untrusted program may contain malicious code that could be dangerous for your computer. Software programs often come with add-ons. Read carefully what it says before accepting to install any additional unwanted programs, because the extra programs may also exhibit malicious behavior. Tip 3. Do not add untrusted browser extensions. Browser extensions with the right access permissions can read your data as you browse the web. So before adding a browser extension, learn about it because it can steal your login credentials. Chris Hoffman, a technology blogger, has written in his article, published on howtogeek.com, that in order to function properly, many browser extensions need to capture your sensitive data such as a password. He has explained this with the example of an extension called LastPass. LastPass cannot function if it doesn't get your passwords. Read what he says to learn how to protect yourself from dangerous browser extensions. Tip 4. Use caution while opening email attachments. Email attachments often contain viruses, malware, and spyware, so use caution while reading an email from an unknown source. Chris Hoffman, a tech blogger, has explained how to recognize a dangerous email attachment in his article published on makeuseof.com. He has pointed out in his article that .exe extensions are not only the extensions of files that can run code. He says that there are many other extensions such as .msi, .cmd, .bat, .jar, and .reg that can run code on your computer. Tip 5. Say no to torrent downloads. Do not download pirated software, movies, songs, etc., because very often viruses, spyware, and malware also get downloaded along with these unlawful pirated files without your consent. Do you want to learn how to check whether a downloaded file contains viruses? Read this article that explains how to know if a file contains viruses. Tip 6. Check for Windows updates regularly. If you update Windows regularly, your PC will become more secure day by day, because many or most of the updates that you get are security related. When Microsoft finds security issues in Windows, they send patches through Windows Update to fix these issues. You can choose to get automatic updates. This Windows Help page discussing Windows updates recommends automatic updating. It says that if you don't want updates automatically, perform an updates check once every week. Tip 7. Protect your PC with a good antivirus program. There are dozens, if not hundreds, of antivirus programs available on the market, but which one to trust? Even Microsoft, which developed Microsoft Security Essentials, suggests you use a third-party antivirus. You may hear advice such as, for Windows 8 and above, you don't need to install any additional antivirus program, as the inbuilt Windows Defender is powerful enough to protect you from viruses, malware, and spyware. If you hear such a statement, seek advice elsewhere.